And I want to just come on here and just talk about my portfolio the last couple months and where we're at now versus where we were then. And to answer your question, yes, I am up by a lot. So my overall portfolio right now is up about 14.96%. And that's for the last 3 months. We are extremely cash heavy right now. So if we go to our balances, we're going to see that available without margin impact, we are extremely cash heavy. So just between all these accounts here, we have 85.8 plus 154.6 plus 16 plus 5. So 261 divided by 381. So we're about 68% cash right now in the account. And at the same time, we are up. So for the last month, we're up about 5.33%. So how did I get to almost 15% return? I'm not trying to predict every candle, and I'm not trying to guess where the market is going to go. I'm selling fear and staying liquid and waiting for these fat premium days like we are seeing now. And this is just realized gains. So I want you guys to understand something. There's a difference between realized and unrealized. So if we look at our unrealized gains just for this month, we are up about $18,000. That's on $381,000 total balance. So that's going to equate to about almost a 5% return realized gains in just the past 20 something days. Keep in mind the month is not. Profits come from? Well, they came from STX, WDC, Google, Microsoft, AVGO, NVIDIA, DRAM, which is a ETF that is memory focused. It's a newer ETF, but I really do like what they're doing. And ISRG. So these are not random buying. They're very structured option entries. Now, if you guys come here to my Discord, you can see all of us are absolutely printing. This is not just me, but all members are printing. So looking at Microsoft on the weekly time frame, this thing has absolutely been beaten up from the highs. It's currently down 31%. And at its lowest point, it was down 37%. This is Microsoft, guys. This is not some bullcrap stock that people trade or hype up. This is a massive company. Now, yes, they might have overspent in AI. And yes, they had a lot of AI budget with my own trades. So I currently have about $39,000 invested in Microsoft. Keep in mind, we have a lot of money sitting on the sidelines. And I am looking to enter a couple leaps on this in the next couple weeks. So basically, I'm sitting in a trade that says if Microsoft drops below 390, hey, I'm willing to buy 100 shares, which as we can see, it currently is below 390. Now we got a total of 16.39 credit for this trade. Now that means theoretically, if we do get assigned this stock, it's going to be $16 less than where it's at right now. And that would put us about right here on this trend line. And that's one of the reasons why I think this is a really solid setup. And I think it's free money essentially, because you're getting paid $1,600 to enter this trade, which is less than 30 days of waiting time. And the total return on this is going to be about 4.2% on a name like Microsoft by August 21st. So less than 30 days out, we're going to earn 4% on it. And yes, this is a stock that is down over 30%, and it's one of the Mag 7. So why is it down? Well, AI CapEx is huge. Microsoft guided versus the posted massive AI infrastructure spending. Well, it has literally jumped 66%. Yeah, so they're investing a lot in AI infrastructure. So overnight, the market is rallying. We can see that it's up about 1.2%. Am I buying that? Absolutely not, because I think that we're going to retest this area here, 696, and my target is down here at 670, and we could potentially even go down to 654. So I'm going to be looking to buy QQQ leaves here, and if we continue to drop, then we're going to load the boat right here at 655. And I want you guys to keep those two levels in mind, because this little pullback that we're having right now, not buying it. I am not buying it one single bit. We've already broken this structure here. Price closed below here on Friday. So I'm thinking that we are going to retest this previous support just to come back down to 670. That is just my opinion. Now, if you guys want access to all of my trades, again, I post every single trade that I take right here inside of Wheel Trades, Leap Trades. We are taking leaps and cash secured puts every single day throughout the weeks. And we are constantly printing money, as you guys can see here, just consistently winning in the markets. And that's with cash secured puts covered calls, and leaps. Again, a lot of these YouTubers right now are down in their portfolio. A lot of people are currently down in their portfolio. But we are up. As you can see, for the month, we're up. For the year, we're up. Over 52 grand just this year alone, trading cash secured puts and covered calls with leaps. So again, if you guys want to join, go ahead and hit the link down below. You guys can join the free Discord channel that I just added in, or if you guys want all trades, you can join Ahmad Capital Pro for just $149 for 3 months. That's 90 days of access for only $149.